Hi everyone. So I am making a video today to show you how to use Quizlet. Quizlet is an online website and app that you can use to practice new vocabulary words using flashcards on the app. So first I'm going to show you how to get Quizlet on your phone. And then second, I'm going to show you how to access and use Quizlet on the computer. Now, you can use Quizlet both places. It uses the same information. So sometimes I use Quizlet on my phone to send new vocabulary words and flashcards to students. And sometimes I send that vocabulary and flashcards on the computer. So you can use both. But let's look at using it on your phone first. So how do we use Quizlet? How to download it onto your phone. So your first step, if you have an iPhone, like me, your first step is going to be going to the Apple App Store. For Android, there you go. For Android, you would go to the Google Play Store. And once you have that App Store open, you're going to click on search, and then in the search bar here, you're going to put Quizlet, and this is what the app looks like. It's a blue square with a white Q in the middle of it. You're going to click where it says download. You don't see that on my example because I already have it downloaded on my phone. And then once it is downloaded onto your phone, you're going to click on open. So when you open the app, you will see this screen. Okay, it says, oh, sign up for Quizlet. Because you do not have an account, you need to make an account. So you want to click sign up for free. And then you will see something that looks like this screen. Now to sign up for Quizlet, there are 3 choices. First, if you have Facebook, you can use your Facebook. You can connect your Facebook and Quizlet together. So you just click Facebook, you put your Facebook username and password and login, and that will connect them together. Or if you have a Google email address, like a Gmail, you can use Google. And all you do again is you click on it, you're going to click connect. You will put your email and your Gmail password and log in, and that will connect those together. Now, the third choice, if you don't have a Facebook or you don't have a Gmail, the third choice is to create an account. You're going to put your birthday. You just click, and then you're going to click on the month, date, and year. You're going to put your email. Now, you must have an email for this. You're going to put your username. For me, I might just put like my first and last name together as my username. Or you can put, red car 521. You can put anything you want. You just have to have a special name for you. And you also need to put a password, a secret word that you use to close your account so no one else can go inside. After you have all of these things, at the bottom of the screen, you will see where it says submit. And you hit submit, and it's finished. So after you register, it's going to ask you if you want to have notifications. Do you want there to be a red one when you get a message or some information from Quizlet. If you like notifications on your phone, see, I have one right here in this app. There's a red number that tells me that there's some news there. If you want notifications, you will click Allow Notifications. If you don't want this, you will click Not Now. And then you might get this screen that says, oh, Quizlet teacher, upgrade, only $3 a month. You do not want this because you do not have a teacher account. You are a student. So you want to go down to the bottom here where it says continue using free Quizlet. Do not click start your free trial because it will ask you for a credit card and no, 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 no. You want the free account. After you have registered, it might ask you, oh, what do you want to study? You can click anything maybe you want to study, or you can click languages. There should also be a search bar. And here is where you can search for your teacher's name. So I have my students look for M. Bozart. So it's my first initial for Mandy, M, and then my last name, Bozart. And you can see all of my flashcards there. Or just wait. You can close the app at this point and then look for a message from your teacher. The message from your teacher will have a blue link. You can click on that link and it will open in Quizlet. And then you can do those different flashcards. Now let's look at Quizlet on the computer. Hold on, I gotta find my picture. There we go. Okay, so to go to Quizlet on the computer, you're just going to go to Quizlet.com. Quizlet.com. And it will look like this. Now, two things. You can do some flashcards with no account online. If I click search and I search for my classroom, you can see some of my cards. But you will not be able to do all the cards. If you want to do all the cards, you need an account. So just like what we did on the phone, you will click on sign up. And then you're going to put, so again, they have the two choices, Google or Facebook. You're going to put your birthday. You're going to put a username, a special name just for you, your email, your password, and then you will click on sign up. So same steps as on the phone. And then once you are signed up, anytime you want to look at Quizlet online, you just need to click log in. You'll enter your username and password and click log in. And you can see your Quizlet. So what does Quizlet look like? How can you use it? Let me show you. You can use it for many different things, but the main focus of Quizlet is to learn new words. So let me go to maybe this one. So these are some cards I made for my students. Students can read, see the vocabulary word. They can click to see its meaning. You go down, students can listen So they can click and listen to the word, all of these words. And they can also play some games on the side here or on your app. There are these games. You can, it says learn. You look at the meaning. You have to say what word. Okay, oh, intelligent. I'm going to choose bright. Oh, correct. Relating to music, skilled or good at music. Musical. Correct. So you can practice words this way, and there are some other games you can play. Right. You have to put what is the word to go with the definition, right? And it'll tell you how many you have right and how many are wrong. Spelling, there's also a test and some other games. There is a matching game where they want you to match the word with the definition, and then they disappear to match. So you can do this on the computer, or again, you can do this on your phone. So many of the teachers are using Quizlet to help their students get extra vocabulary practice. I hope you will get Quizlet on your phone or computer and try it and see if it helps you learn some more words. So have a great day.